Alright guys, we have hole 3 of the South Coast Tournament. It's par 5. And I'm going to stop the video as soon as I get going here, right here. Alright, so I think the obvious play is going to be to the right, if at all possible. If you look over there to the left, there's that bunker up there that impedes the final shot to the green. So that doesn't look very good at all. So if we're going to have our best opportunity, I think it's going to be to go right. So that's what I'm going to do here. Once again, I just have a rock 5, so I don't have the top spin. But we'll just throw one out here and get a look at this. With some top spin, I think this is going to be really a pretty easy eagle, to be honest with you, even from the second tee. We'll see where we land. You know, there's some ball manipulation that we can do to get the right ball to give us the best scenario for the actual tournament wind. But we're just going to want to get as far down here as possible, using as much top spin as possible, I have a feeling. And second shot, because I'm weak on Sniper 6, I just have to wing one up here towards the green, and I am going to come up a little bit short on this, unfortunately. And normally I would just try to put this straight in with the short iron from here, but in the name of science, I decided to try to figure out, in case anybody gets in this scenario, what sort of elevation we're dealing with for a possible dunk, or even just knowing the elevation for a short iron, for that matter. So the easiest way to figure that out and be really precise about it is a dunk. So I'm going to give it a shot here at -10. It's a little bit uphill, but I think I did overplay it just a little bit, because I played kind of in between min and mid, and as you can see, that's 1 and 1/6. I went about 1-3 here. And I think it was closer to like a 1-1 or 1-2, closer to min. So it's either closer to min or it's -15, because I came up just a tiny bit short, and I mean a tiny bit. So that gives you an idea on the elevation there.